basically a weaning training process of Bud Williams. So I'll just empty this pen, let them go into the other pen. I'm going to stand as much as possible at the front of the gate to get them to leave, teaching them to walk past me.
Okay.
Just getting them to kind of see how I'm going to work them, so that they can figure all that out, and I can use their natural instincts to get them to leave the pen. The whole time just making sure that they're going to stay nice and calm. And if they're not calm, I'll bring them back again.
Okay.
And then, depending on who we work first, I'll probably leave the calves up in the upper pen, and bring those cows back around into this pen. That way when we go to unload the calves into the alleyway, they'll want to come this direction.
Okay.
Just because of the draw of their moms being there. So, sound good?